Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel.
Hi, are you here for Sophia's birthday party?
Yes, I am. My name is Ryan. What's your name?
I'm Emma. Nice to meet you, Ryan.
Nice to meet you too, Emma.
How do you know Sophia?
She's my cousin. What about you?
She's my classmate. How old is she now?
She just turned 19. How old are you?
I'm 20 years old. Are you in her class too?
No, I go to a different school.
Oh, which school do you go to?
I go to Green Valley School. Where do you study?
I study at Sunshine Academy. Do you like your school?
Yes, I do. It's fun. What's your favorite subject?
I love art. What about you?
My favorite subject is science.
Science is cool. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I love playing soccer. Do you play any sports?
I like swimming. Do you have a favorite soccer team?
Yes, it's Manchester United. Do you watch soccer?
Not really, but my dad does. Do you like video games?
Yes, I do. What about you?
I like them too. What's your favorite game?
I love playing Minecraft. Do you play Minecraft?
Yes, I do. It's so much fun. What do you build in the game?
I build castles and cities. What do you like to build?
I like building houses and gardens. Do you play with your friends?
Yes, sometimes. Do you play online?
Not much. I usually play with my brother. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older sister. Do you have any?
I have a younger brother. What's your sister's name?
Her name is Lily. What's your brother's name?
His name is Jack. Does Lily like parties too?
Yes, she does. She's in the other room. Where's your brother?
He's playing with the balloons. Do you like balloons?
Yes, especially the colorful ones. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink. What about you?
I like blue. Do you like the decorations here?
Yes, they're beautiful. Do you like the birthday cake?
I haven't seen it yet. Have you?
Yes, it's a big chocolate cake. Do you like chocolate?
I love chocolate. What's your favorite flavor?
Strawberry. Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I do. What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Vanilla. Do you think there will be ice cream here?
I hope so. What's your favorite party food?
I love cupcakes. Do you like them?
Yes, I do. Do you like sandwiches?
Yes, especially cheese sandwiches. Do you eat pizza?
Of course. Who doesn't like pizza?
True. What's your favorite topping?
Pepperoni. What about you?
like mushrooms and olives. Do you like dancing?
Yes, I do. Are you going to dance today?
Maybe if they play good music. What's your favorite song?
I like Happy by Pharrell Williams. Do you know it?
Yes, it's a great song. Do you like playing party games?
Yes, I love them. What's your favorite game?
I like musical chairs. Have you played it before?
Yes, I have. It's so exciting. Do you think we'll play it today?
I hope so. Do you want to team up if there's a team game?
Sure, that sounds like fun.
What do you think of the party so far?
It's great. Do you think Sophia is having a good time?
She looks really happy. Did you bring her a gift?
Yes, I did. What about you?
I brought her a drawing set. What did you bring?
I got her a puzzle. Do you like puzzles?
Yes, they're fun. What kind of puzzle is it?
It's a 3D castle puzzle. Have you ever tried one?
No, but it sounds interesting. Do you think she'll like it?
I hope so. Are you staying until the end of the party?
Yes, I am. What about you?
Me too. Should we go grab some snacks now?
What snacks do you like the most?
I love chips. What about you?
I like cookies. Do you think there are cookies here?
I saw some on the table. Should we check?
Yes, let's check. Do you like chocolate chip cookies?
They're my favorite. What's yours?
I like oatmeal cookies. Do you like trying new snacks?
Yes, I love experimenting with food. Have you tried anything new recently?
I tried sushi last week. Have you ever had sushi?
No, but I'd like to try it. Do you like spicy food?
Not really. Do you?
A little bit.
Let's get everyone together. Are you ready to have fun?
Absolutely. Let's go.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.